Morning people, I am sat outside Toolstation just about to collect a Mira electric shower for a football club called United in the Community. So we can set a challenge to turn that into a functioning shower within 2 days. Let's see what we can do. Limited time on this project, but I'm happy to help out. Let's see, crack on.
We've been lucky enough to have Mira supply a nice new shower. That will be very nice for all our users so that we can actually help our officials and our coaches to actually reward them for what they do for us.
It's really important for grassroots sports for people to help out. Clubs like this, they don't run without volunteers. It's as simple as that, and without volunteers it just doesn't happen. And what better way to give back a little bit is doing a project like this.
Just had a quick look at the hot water system they've got here and trying to look into the reasoning why they've chosen an electric shower, and after speaking to them found out that this hot water system isn't always fully charged and ready to go. So the option to have that electric shower and always have a functioning shower regardless is going to be beneficial to the club. So let's crack on and let's see what we can get done. We're going to get it looking good, we're going to get it functional as possible for them to be able to use that shower, just make the club's life a bit easier basically. That's all we're trying to achieve. If we can do something that helps improve the football club, then so what, let's crack on, let's do it, bang, let's go. Okay, so the role for me to do this job is obviously to turn an area at the moment which is unfunctional into something that we can actually have a shower in and use. We're going to have to make the walls waterproof and obviously installing the shower itself, testing and commissioning, installing waste and cold feed, etc.
It's really useful for us, so we obviously allow the students to use the main changing rooms, but as staff we've got nowhere really if we needed to have a shower or get changed, so we're then reliant on either going back to the college or waiting until we get home. So having this as a bit of more of a site for us is going to be massively beneficial.
Take measure, bosh.
So we're going to put a 10mm twin and earth cable in, isolator, and because of the installation and what we've got here, we're going to be dropping on another subboard to make sure everything is all nice and safe.
It's just nice to do something for a young football club, isn't it? It's kids running around, doing a sport, getting out, they're clearing the mental health. You can't fault it, can you?
Oh yeah. That we're now going to be giving back, so somewhere for the officials can have a place where, let's face it, they run round, they're going to stink. So now they've got a place to get it nice and clean. I thought I'd just give you a quick explanation of why we're installing a Mira Azora electric shower. And as you can see here, we've got 2 pressurised cylinders. It's going to take a lot of energy to heat these tanks, okay? And the idea is that the shower can be used without these being heated. So electric shower just gives us that option of having constant hot water available for a shower regardless. Let's have a look. Nice.
It's electric, it's going to be economical, so instead of us having to heat a whole tank of water just for one shower, we'll be able to use the water instantaneously and hopefully it will save us a lot of money.
So we've just finished installing the shower base, waterproof panelling and the Mira Azora electric shower. Gone pretty well, to be fair, smoothly. We've got it done in the 2 days that we wanted to get it done. So yeah, I'm happy.
A job like this is obviously quite rewarding. I love what I do and I think it shows giving back to places like this. Hopefully it inspires other people to get involved and do a bit more for their local clubs.
Oh, wow. Didn't expect them to go all the way across here, but that's even better. Oh, well, compared to what it was previously, this is now just 100 times better. It's the fact that we've actually got a working shower. So, no, this is just amazing. Can't thank people enough for this.
The most rewarding part for me is the fact that we're just doing something to help the club. What we have done and achieved in the last couple of days is going to have an impact on them. They're going to be a lot happier. We're just trying to make something that's unfunctional more functional for them, and we've achieved that.
Amazed at how it looks. It's such a transformation from what it was, which really wasn't much, you know. It is 100 times better. The facilities in there will just be superb. We can offer our users so much more now. They've got an option now to use a different facility. So before, when we haven't been able to actually give them the use of the showers because heating it up is just, you know, a cost to us. Now we can offer them something different. So if there is anybody who's in desperate need of the shower, they can actually have one. I can't thank the contributors to this project enough, you know, from Mira for supplying the actual shower, to Mike the electrician and Tom the plumber. They've been superb. The biggest surprise has actually been the camaraderie between workmen who actually haven't even met each other before. You know, it's much like a football team. You can have some real good players, but unless you work as a team, you don't work at all.